Hey guys, how's it going? How to automate database backups on Hostinger. So before you do anything, go ahead to the official website and make sure that you buy the best plan. And if you want free domain, free website migration, 24/7 customer support, please visit the link in the description box to get the best offer. Now what you're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead to the official website. Now what we're gonna do, if you have a web single or premium plan and want to have daily backups, first of all, just go ahead, you can easily purchase this feature. Just navigate to the website, manage, and then search for backups on the sidebar and click on them. And next, click on add daily backups button and select the duration and the payment method, and that's it. Your hosting plan will start generating daily backups. All right, these backups are stored separately from your hosting, so they don't take up space on your disk quota. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.